Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash look on the Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA. His palette is from Lunar Beauty, which is his own company, which is totally awesome. I am so excited for you guys to see how I got this look on my face. And if you want to see how I feel about this palette and how I attempted this look on my face, continue watching. This palette is insanely pretty. There's a makeup brush that comes in it. I am going to take that out really quick so I can get a closer look for you guys. So this is the palette. It is so beautiful. There are neutrals and super bright colors, which is nice. It comes with a good variety, and it's nice that this mirror bends back so far, actually. And I love that it says, "Be a queen." How cute is that? Alright, so I actually have not planned a look at all with this yet, so I'm going to put on my ears really quick. I do have all my base on, just because I don't need to do all of that for this video for you lovelies. Look at how beautiful this front is too, like, so pretty. And the back is just so elegant and clean. Okay, so I think I really want to put Cake Face on, but I feel like that's too white for my whole lid. But why not? So Cake Face is the ultra white color here. If it's too white, I'll put something over it. I think that's fair, right? Okay. So I'm just gonna do my entire lid with this color. I actually don't think this is too much. It's kind of nice.
Because it gives it a really clean base to work with.
So just like super. Do you see the difference between my eyes? Oh, that's just crazy. So I'm at the base of this lid real quick. Oh girl. That is Cake Face. I really like this base actually. It looks so clean. I miss this spot. Which that is actually what's kind of nice about this, is if you miss any spots, you will be able to tell because it is so light. There we go. It's just so light that you'll know. Okay. Do I want to go super colorful or not super colorful? The question is real with this. Maybe a little bit of both, who knows? I don't really know what to do with this. There's just so many beautiful colors to use. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, this is so hard. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go with Mug. We're going to take a blending brush, and we're gonna put this color into our crease. These are super pigmented. Holy moly. Like, I literally barely dipped my brush in this, and it's like insane how well this is going on. Like, do you see how intense that is? One time in, incredible. I'm just blending this up a little bit. I don't want it to be that small. Like, do you see how amazing that just blended up? I didn't have to go like back in for more product for that. Alright, this side. So that is Mug. Now, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to use Snatched because it's just so pretty. I can't resist it. And I'm taking like a softer blending brush, and I'm literally going to take this and I'm just going to put it under that brown color. Mostly on the outer part of my crease first. And I'm just gonna move this all the way across. I'm gonna bring it down tiny bit onto this lid. Onto my outer lid is what I mean to say. And just like I said, you only need a tiny bit of this, and it goes such a long way. It's crazy. Now, I'm going to use this brush from the palette. And I just love this legendary color. I can't resist it. So I'm just going to take the smaller end of the brush, and I am going to put this color all over my lid. We're going to see how well it does. That is like so gold. I love it. I'm kind of packing it on now. So I just blended it first and now I'm just patting it to kind of give it more pigment. So that is what that looks like so far. The gold is like so beautiful. I don't even understand how it's that cute. Now I'm gonna take this end of the brush. I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna go in with Kiki and I'm gonna actually put this under my eye. Because there's just so much beautiful color in this palette, I can't not use any of it. And I know that's super weird probably and random, but why not? So that is the under eyes so far. I'm going to take a really small brush. I'm going to go in with Beat, which is this sparkly color up here, which is just so pretty. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner, blend it down into that green color. I'm just going to use a little bit of it up on my brow bone. That does not look so far. I'm going to go back in with that first brush and that first color, just dab a little bit onto my brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend through everything up in this top part. Kind of blend the red into the brown a little bit better now. This is a little bit crazier than I was expecting to go, but I also didn't really know what I was going to do with it. So here it is so far. Now I am going to swatch all of these on my arm for you guys. Make a mess. Well, I'll actually do that at the end. So now that this is all on and all that good stuff and crazy, I'm going to take this eyeliner pop and do my eyeliner with this little thing real quick. Okay, that wing is on. Now let's do the other wing. Okay, both of my wingies are on now. And like I always do, I'm going to take this brush, the very first one I used, and just blend this brown color down into the wing. Now we'll do the other side. Now that those are both blended now, I am going to go in with some mascara. So that is my mascara on. I'm going to go in with this faded lip liner color. Then I'm going to go in with Color Pop Wrap. These actually match really well. And now I'm going to go in with my little brush and shape everything out a little bit. So that is that color. Now I'm going to glue on my eyelashes now. One eyelash on. Now let's glue on the other one. My eyelashes are on. Now I'm just going to use my Mario Badescu spray, the rose water one. Okay. So this is the final look. This is what my eyes look like. I went kind of like in between, more neutral with like a little bit of color. I don't really know why, I just did. That's what I felt like doing, I guess. I really do enjoy this palette a lot. The colors are just insane. Like seriously, so beautiful. Now we're gonna swatch all of these so you can actually see what all of these look like on my arm. So the white unfortunately doesn't really show up on me because I am so pale. So these are all the colors in the palette. They're very pretty, very pigmented. I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.